Now that I am logged into Xactimate Online, I'll navigate to my Projects tab. I can see the project that I uploaded from my mobile device here. In this example, you can see the original project, which could have been created in XactAnalysis or here in Xactimate. Now that the projects are in the list, I'll merge them. Since the Georgetown 915 project is the original project, I'll merge my water project into it. Click on the Georgetown 915 project and then click on Merge Projects. From here, I'll select the project I want to merge. In my case, I'll be merging water. I'll select water from the list. I click on Add to make the selection. Now, I'll merge them.